Hey y'all, welcome back to the day in the life of a stay-at-home mompreneur. I know last week I went a little bit MIA, but guys, I actually decided that it was time for me to rebrand. I know that at one point all of the gurus were telling you to niche down individually on all of your different, crafts or talents that you have. And I'm going to be honest, I did that. Some of you guys know I'm a fashion designer. I teach online sewing lessons. I teach financial literacy. I offer credit repair. I'm a realtor. I'm a homeschool mom. I'm a wife. I'm a new mom. And the list goes on. And I had social media channels for every single one of those niches. But I'm going to be honest, y'all, with having a new baby, it is extremely hard to manage all of those different pages. And my content was very inconsistent. So with the help of Chat GPT and with just doing some researching, I just started really realizing the power in self branding. Just brand yourself, especially if you are involved and have multiple streams of income like I do, right? So I took the time to cross post all of my stay at home mom content on my Facebook business page, my Instagram, my YouTube, and my TikTok, guys. Between all of those channels, I have hundreds or of thousands of followers who are just kind of sitting. And y'all, I'm going to be honest, the content is doing extremely well. Now, I also want to show you guys some of the gifts that we received last week. One of my favorites was this chair. I saw another stay-at-home mom post this while her baby was starting to sit. And I added it to the registry, and here we are. Guys, my reaction was, OMG, she looks so freaking pretty. I had to call my husband in the room to see, but look at her reaction. Look at the smiles. And this seat has been so extremely helpful. Imagine when we're trying to get out the door, or when I'm doing errands around the house, or when I'm just trying to get dressed, right? And as you can see, she loves it. My baby looks like such a big girl, and she is starting to sit up on her own. Another thing that she's doing is she's teething, y'all. So as you can see, there was some teething toys as well. While her teeth start to come in, Mason's still very much involved. And another really big thing that she did last week was she rolled over, y'all. I know you saw my post about putting hair bows in her hair. I know she don't have that much hair, but you can't tell me nothing. Okay, my baby looks so pretty. But it was so funny. Me and my husband were laying in bed. We were talking. We were playing with her, and she rolled over. So I pulled out my phone. I was trying to catch it so that I can record it, and she would not do it again. But the next day, it was on and popping. So this one is for y'all. Yeah. Look at my big girl. So to all of my followers on my TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and my Facebook business page, I want to say welcome. Welcome to my life as a stay-at-home mompreneur. I look forward to engaging with you guys, and I look forward to showing you my beautiful family.